Hello great people. In this video I want to talk about how to download YouTube videos using a website, and the name of the website is savefrom.net. Now the first step is to locate a browser on your system. So I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any other browser. You can use Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser. After locating a browser, the next step is to type youtube.com. Once you get to YouTube page, you are going to see a search box at the top. Now type the video that you want to download, the title of the video you want to download. Example, I want to learn about computer, and I'm going to search. Now you have all of these videos on computer. I'm going to click the first video. Now the next thing, allow the video to play and pause it. After pausing the video, come up here where you have this the address bar, or what we call the URL. Now highlight and copy everything that you have within this address bar. After copying, you can right click and click on copy to copy. Now the next is to open another tab. By clicking on the plus, you can open tabs. Just click on the plus and another tab will be open. Now after you open a new tab, type savefrom.net, and that is the website that will allow us to download our YouTube file. Now this is savefrom.net page. The next thing, inside this box, you can see paste your video link here. So right click and paste the link that you copied from YouTube, and automatically you have your video ready for download. Now you have options. You can download in MP4 720 or MP4 360. If you are using your video on a big screen, I will advise you download it in MP4 720. So you click. If I click on this, and my video will start downloading automatically, as you can see right here. How do you access your video? You can access the video by going to your download. Go to your download by clicking on File Explorer, and you click on download, and this is our video. So the video is now on my system. Now the next thing I want to talk about is how you can use this same method to download videos, YouTube videos, on your mobile phone. How to download YouTube video on your mobile phone. Just like in laptop and desktop, the first step is to locate a browser. So I'm going to use Chrome here as well. After locating your browser, type the website youtube.com. youtube.com. When you get to youtube.com, you can see that you have N in front. So it means your YouTube website is in mobile mode. So you have to convert this YouTube page to a desktop mode. So the next step is to click this the arrow inside the red circle pointing up. Click on it, and you go down to where you have desktop site and enable desktop site. Once you enable desktop site, is going to convert your YouTube page to a desktop. You can see that the M is no longer in front of YouTube. So now you are viewing your YouTube page as if you are viewing it on a desktop computer or a laptop computer. Now the next step is to click on the video that you want to download, or to search for the video you want to download using the search box. So click on the search box. I'm going to type computer. Now once you get to this savefrom.net page, paste what you have copied. Paste the YouTube link that you have copied. Just press down on the enter the URL box and paste it, and automatically it's going to show you this video. Now you can download in 720 or 360, just like we have it in a desktop computer or laptop. So once you click, so you can click on download, continue, and allow, and your file is downloading. So this is how you download on mobile phone, the same step. But what you just need to do is to convert your mobile phone from your browser from mobile mode to desktop mode. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you in my next video.